that was going to be my last moment of life. I was waiting to die because the pain was so severe. My name is Bob Gustafson. I'm from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and I came here because I was struggling with mercury poisoning and cancer. So the mercury was shutting down my organs, my heart, my liver, my kidneys. So it left us no choice but to seek God and ask for His guidance as to where to go and what to do. And it was through that praying that we were impressed upon calling Wildwood and asking for them for help. When I came to Wildwood, I had severe headaches. My only desire was to stay in a dark room with no noise, just so I could bear the headache. My stomach hurt so badly that I would spend most of my days curled up in the fetus position in my bed in a lot of pain, just thinking that was going to be my last moment of life. I was waiting to die because the pain was so severe. I can't even begin to describe what it's like to now not have the headaches, to be able to not have the stomach aches, to be able to function like a normal human being again, to have a second chance at life. The cancer is continuously being checked on, both from the VA and from the Wildwood physicians here, and our levels are continuously dropping. And the VA doesn't quite understand or doesn't recognize our way of doing things here at Wildwood, but they recognize that the levels are dropping, and they accept that whatever we're doing is working. Life isn't hopeless. They have an opportunity here to come to Wildwood and regain life. With Wildwood, you have an opportunity to regain your health, to have a better quality of life, to be happy again. And so, whenever possible, wherever I am, I'm going to lead people back here to Wildwood.